Well, hi there, pluckers. Arthur Sawfingers again with you with part 2 of my lessons on Lionel Richie's classic song Truly. Okay, now in part 1 we covered the intro and how to play the verses and how to play the choruses. All the verses play the same way and all the choruses play the same way. Okay, so when you've come out of, so the sequence is like intro, verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, and then we come to this. Instead of doing another chorus, he's got an outro. Okay, so this is what this lesson's about really. It's how you finish the song. Okay, so coming out of the second chorus, you come out of the chorus with that usual chord sequence: D minor 7th with G in the bass, G, G sus 4, and then pinky on that 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Now at that point you could, you think it go into another verse, but it goes into the final outro. Okay, which is because I'm C, truly, into a C7, and the way we play it the way I do it is the bar chord, 3rd fret from the capo, bar, 1st finger, and then the 5th fret from the capo on the 4th string, 3rd finger, and pinky playing the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Okay, and it should sound like that. C7, okay, so it goes, because I'm truly in love with you, girl. Right, so that's C, because I'm truly, this C7, now I'm strumming now, I'm not doing any arpeggiating, okay, strumming. Now, when you go to the C7th, it's all downstrokes, one at a time. C7, take your pinky off, keep everything else the same, then put your pinky on the 6th fret of the 2nd string, and then back to the 5th fret. So it's all single strokes, yeah? So that's C7 to C sus2, up to C7 at sus4, back to C7. All pinky, all to do with the pinky that. Then to an F major 7, we've done that chord before. And into this single stroke on the D minor 7th with G in the bass. Just a single stroke on that. And then we've got this little run. And we repeat the whole thing again. So that's 1st fret 2nd string, open 2nd string, 2nd on the 2nd on the 3rd, sorry, so it's 1st on the 2nd, open 2nd, 2nd on the 3rd, open 3rd, and then the little run down, 3rd on the 4th, 2nd on the 4th, open 4th, and then into the C again, and you repeat the whole thing we just done. Okay, so got that. So come out of that. So second chorus, and we go. Because I'm truly in love with you, girl. I'm truly head over heels with your love. I need you. Last line, I'm truly, you know you're alright. Okay, now that last line, same as usual, C, I'm truly, C7. Then we've got this little 3-chord rundown. You're alright. So it's F, you're C, or D minor 7, right, bit of a pause, and then this chord, which is an F minor 6. So basically you just bar the first 3 strings on the first fret, first finger, and the open 4th string, the D string open, and that fall down to 1. And then with me is a C add 9, the way I play it. So that's second on the 4th with the first finger, second finger's playing the 3rd on the 5th, and then third finger's playing the 3rd fret from the capo on the 2nd string. All the other 5 down to 1. All the other strings that I haven't touched are open. Okay, so that last line is truly, you know you're alright with me. So now excuse the singing. Okay, got the idea. So once again then, the whole thing, the whole ending, okay, from the end of the second chorus, because I'm truly, truly in love with you, I'm truly head over heels with your love. I need you with your love. I'm free. And truly, last line. You know you're alright. And there you are, boys and girls, my take on Lionel Richie's Truly. Okay, so thanks very much for watching and listening. I hope that helps you play that song. It's a bit fiddly in places, but I'm sure it'll come if you practice it enough. See you soon. Bye for now.